All right, let's talk about leveling up. We're moving way beyond just tinkering with large language models. Today, we're going to break down how you can actually architect and build complex agentic AI systems. The kind that can truly reason, plan, and act all on their own.
So here's the big question for you. Are you ready to make that leap from just being an LLM user to becoming a true AI engineer? Because let me tell you, that gap is getting wider every single day, and it's pretty much defining where this entire industry is headed.
You see, the fundamental shift here is moving beyond just crafting single prompts. It's about architecting entire systems of autonomous agents. Agents that can actually collaborate to solve really complex problems. And mastering this, it isn't just a cool challenge. It is the core skill for the next generation of AI development.
Okay, so how do you actually get there? You can't just wing it, right? You need a plan. So let's break down the structured path to get you started, the 4-phase mastery roadmap.
It all starts with the foundations. That means teaching a single agent how to use tools and get structured outputs. From there, you scale up to multi-agent systems, where you learn to make them collaborate like a real team. Now, phase 3 is absolutely critical: production and safety, where you add the guardrails and human oversight you need for the real world. And finally, you get to the really fun part: advanced reasoning, where you start pushing the very limits of what these systems can do.
And I want to be super clear here, this isn't just some academic theory. Following this roadmap gives you a practical, hands-on path to getting the exact skills and building the kind of portfolio that top AI companies are hiring for right now. All right, so we've got the how, that's the roadmap. Now let's get into the what, the actual architecture you're going to be building. It's time to really look at the blueprint for an agentic AI system.
This right here, it just illustrates the whole concept perfectly. The roadmap is your learning journey, and the destination is this complex, multi-layered stack. One literally teaches you exactly how to build the other. So let's pop the hood and really dissect this stack. An agentic system isn't just one thing. It's a whole series of interconnected layers, and each one has a very specific job. Understanding these layers is the absolute key to building robust AI.
Everything starts at the bottom, with the foundation layer. Just think of it as the engine room. It's where you have the core LLMs providing the reasoning, the vector databases giving the system its long-term memory, and of course the cloud compute providing all the horsepower. This is where all the raw intelligence comes from.
Now, for a bunch of agents to work together, they have to speak the same language, right? Well, that's the entire job of the protocols and interoperability layer. It's like a universal translator. It provides all the standards and APIs that allow totally different systems and agents to connect and share info seamlessly. Without it, you just have a room full of brilliant individuals who can't talk to each other.
Now this is where things get really cool: the orchestration layer. If the foundation is the engine, this layer is the director, or maybe the quarterback. It coordinates everything, managing complex workflows, deciding which agent uses which tool and when, handling memory, and guiding those long reasoning processes. This is exactly what you learn to master in phase 2 of the roadmap.
And hey, this isn't just some abstract idea. We're talking about real, powerful frameworks you can use today. Tools like LangVaraf for building stateful agents, Crew AI for role-playing collaboration, and even open-source pioneers like AutoGPT are all designed for this one purpose: managing how your team of agents gets the job done together.
An agent is only as powerful as the tools it can use. The tooling and enrichment layer is what gives agents their superpowers. It connects them to the outside world through APIs, web browsers, and databases, allowing them to go out, grab information, and take real actions, not just generate text.
And finally, at the very top, you have the application layer. This is where everything we've just built becomes a real product that a user can actually interact with. Whether that's a smart copilot, an automated research assistant, or a brand new kind of autonomous teammate.
But wrapped around everything is maybe the most important layer of all: governance and observability. This is your safety net. It provides the guardrails, the monitoring, and the human oversight to make absolutely sure the agents are operating reliably, ethically, and responsibly. You just cannot build for production without this piece.
So as we bring this all together, it's pretty simple. You have the roadmap for learning the skills, and you have the blueprint for the architecture you need to build. This is your clear path to putting agentic AI into production.
If there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this: agentic AI is not a single product. It's a layered architecture. Thinking in terms of these interconnected systems, Well, that's the future of building with AI.
So, the final question isn't for me, it's for you. You've got the roadmap to learn and the blueprint to build. The only question left is, what are you going to create?